Are you worried that maybe other people could have logged into your TikTok account? So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can check which devices that log into your TikTok account, and then you can also remove the access from that person as well, or from that device as well. Before I continue, if you're new to this channel, do subscribe to this channel so that you can get more tips like this. Now I'm going to continue. I'm going to go to my phone. This is only applicable in mobile. I do not see it in the computer, so I'm just going to show it directly in mobile. Okay, so without further ado, let's jump to my mobile and let me show you how you can check and remove multiple devices that is logged on to your TikTok account. Let's go. Open up your TikTok app, go to bottom right, click on your profile, click on the top right icon, which is the three lines, the burger icon. Go to settings and privacy, go to securities and permission, and then you can see there's security alerts if you want to have a look in what kind of security alerts that you have previously. Like I have a new phone, that's why there's a new login. Go back, or you go to manage devices, and then you can see what kind of devices that is currently logged onto the web, and you can delete accordingly the devices that you feel that is not right. Okay, or you can just log out to everything, just click on the delete icon, and then you will log out the TikTok from other devices. Alright, I hope this is helpful for you for the security of your TikTok account. Thank you, and I see you next time. Goodbye.